Hello and welcome to An Architect's Tale. Today, I'll take you on an in-depth journey into a remarkable piece of architecture from the Pacific Northwest, the Alden Mason House, renovated by Ueda Design Studio. This house, nestled in the woods near Seattle, was originally built in 1958 for renowned artist Alden Mason by architect Charles Marsh Jr. and builder Tom Paulson. Key features: the essence of Northwest mid-century modern. The home is a true embodiment of Northwest mid-century modern design, characterized by clean lines, exposed materials, and a profound connection to nature. Floor-to-ceiling windows and skylights flood the interiors with natural light, seamlessly blending the indoor spaces with the surrounding forest and creek. Renovation philosophy: preserving the spirit, embracing the present. When the new owners acquired the house in 2013, they were captivated by its vintage charm but faced typical mid-century challenges: small bathrooms, poor insulation. Ueda Design Studio approached the renovation with deep respect for the home's history, focusing on restoration rather than reinvention. The original foyer, once lacking storage, now features discreet shoe cabinets and a coat closet that blend with the wall paneling. The artist's former studios have been reimagined as a music room and office, honoring the home's creative legacy. During renovations, paint stains discovered on the concrete floor, left from Mason's working days, were preserved beneath new finishes, serving as a living memory of the artist. Living spaces, where nature and art intertwine. Ascending the skylit staircase to the main level, visitors are greeted by abundant natural light and views of lush greenery through expansive windows. The living room harmonizes modern furnishings, a steel fireplace, and Mason's wall sculpture, creating a timeless and unique atmosphere. The kitchen was completely transformed for both elegance and functionality, featuring walnut and white laminate cabinetry that matches the home's original wood tones. A new skylight and a distinctive tubular exhaust hood visually link the kitchen to the living room's fireplace. Comfort and energy efficiency. Ensuring year-round comfort was a priority. The architects installed radiant floor heating, wall heaters, a heat recovery ventilation system, and upgraded roof insulation, significantly improving the thermal performance of this 65-year-old home. Conclusion: a timeless bridge between past, present, and nature. The Alden Mason House is a true inspiration for home lovers and architecture enthusiasts alike, a model of sensitive renovation that honors history, breathes new life, and maintains a deep connection to its natural surroundings. If you enjoyed this deep dive into architectural analysis, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to support our journey in bringing you amazing architecture from around the world. Stay tuned to An Architect's Tale for more incredible architectural stories, and I'll see you in the next episode.